this is the part 3, and I'm here. Let's put in baking powder. And then a little bit of shampoo again. Shampoo. Okay, so I get the shampoo. Hopefully you can see that too. Sorry for my other part 1 because my part 1 when I taking to you that putting that my mixing was letting you see, and the camera was in the puzzles. This was the puzzle, what about it? This was the puzzle. Yeah. Let me see the mixing. Woo! Okay, so I'll be right back when I I'll be right back when I get finished mix. Oh my god, I had the problem. Mine has a lot of powder. Because I'm staring at the TV, and I know you cannot hear the TV because my mommy put it on mute because she's sleeping, and I'm just looking at the pictures without a sound. So let me connect. Okay, there's a floor. Oh, there's a floor. There's a baking powder. Hopefully this will not get it. Oh, I can put my knees. Oh, I get bones. I cannot do it. I just need the 3 arms. I wish I could have a 3 arms so my other arms will be... My 2 arms are making and my 1 arm is holding the camera because we don't have a camera holder, so we're just holding the camera and put some books in the back of it. Okay, if I do this, my slime will begin. This is and my slime had made bubbles. Hopefully you can see the back. Oh, that's my stick. Okay, so I will be right back when I finish it. So I decided to make it throw away because I cannot fix it because I don't have any more shampoo, and so see you at my other. Oh no, to see. Okay, I'll be right back when I finish the 5 minutes of my that I put it in the pot through my slime one that I put in the refrigerator. Okay, and then you can see that I'm throwing it away. Goodbye. Goodbye. And did you know this stick is a chopstick? I'm using a chopstick because I don't know what should I go for a mixing. I cannot use some toothpick, screwed it, another stick because it is too thick, and I have a big bowl or container. So I'm using the chopstick because it is a little bit big. Okay, I will be right back. I have now 4 minutes. Okay. So I'm in our bathroom. Oh my god. And then I'm throwing it away. Okay. Add it there. And oh, there's sponge. You can see that. Goodbye, little slime. Okay, that was it. And then showering it. Oh, what?
Laro tayo. Let's get played.
No, I'm still making a video.
I don't want a video. I don't want a slime. I don't.
This is really hard. One hand and one hand for bubbles. Ouch. Let's go away. You can see that she's going away. Too much bubbles. Oh no. Okay, I'll be right back again. So I'm going to the refrigerator to check my other slime. So
What's that?
So this is it. Oh, forget, this is my sister garden.
Oh, that's the slime.
Let's do slime.
This slime.
Okay, now let's mix it and hurry up. Because I'm now in 7 minutes. Okay, so this is my slime. Okay, so hopefully you love this video. I'm gonna take you goodbye. Okay, so thanks for watching. So thanks for watching and please subscribe and don't forget to thumbs up. How was it? Bye! See you in my next video.